If training your team feels slow and complicated, it's because you're probably using the wrong system. Imagine launching a full and complete employee training program in a matter of minutes rather than weeks. Now, I am super excited to be talking to you today about ProProfs Training Maker, guys. This is an awesome little bit of tech, guys. Employee training software that's super easy to use and, quite frankly, a no-brainer. It's by far the easiest platform to use out there right now to scale up and train your team fast. What's also great is that it's 100% cloud-based, so no clunky old tech that needs to take up space and be annoying and slow on your hard drive or computer. And guess what? They're already trusted by major brands online over the world already. Zoho, Acer, and Adobe. So the way it does this really easily is by enabling you, all right? If you're training your team, you can simply log in, all right? So this is our login right here. Oh, and by the way, they've got a really great help section. Got a phone number you can call. Fantastic to see they have that customer support there. But it really is as simple as going ahead and creating a course. This is actually one that I created earlier, teaching people how to make money selling Pokemon cards. We can actually go in and just have a quick look at that one as it's still in draft mode. So as you can see here, this ProProfs Training Maker course that I created, it was done in virtually seconds, okay? So it's giving us the introduction to card trading, understanding the Pokemon card value, and then, as I mentioned already, the quiz of the basic card value here, which I actually also set up as well. Super cool to know that the AI basically set all of this up in just a matter of seconds. Really nice. Then if say you want to go ahead and create a new course, it's as easy as clicking the button right there, going ahead, creating a course, using ProProfs Training Maker to actually go in and plug the template in. Alrighty folks, so I'm going to show you right here on ProProfs how to create a course. Now, I'm going to make it a course about let's just say I have a big, medium-sized business and I've got a whole PR department, okay? So I want to create a course to introduce or basically induct these new PR employees, okay? So let's go ahead here and press create a course. I'm going to show you how great this ProProfs course creation actually is in real time. All right, so let's go ahead and say I have a medium-sized business with a PR department, okay? Please create for me a course to help induct them into this department, okay? It is a real estate business. All right, love a bit of real estate, so let's ProProfs it up. Okay, so it's analyzing the idea, it's going to gather the content, it's going to craft the lessons, it's going to organize your content, and then it's going to finalize your course, and it's going to be there ready to go ahead and do. Like a little bit of a nice aesthetic interface there, little smiley face, yep, vibes are good. So yeah, just sit back, relax, and this will be quick and easy. Alrighty folks, so we're finalizing the course now, just coming through on that last little section there. And just like that, bang, introduction to PR in real estate. So if we draw our attention to the left side here, we can actually change these up. So say for example, I want to move that down, I can very easily, okay, which is pretty cool as well. So under the introduction to PR, we've got understanding PR basics. So we can open up that section there and go across, and let's have a bit of a look. We've got introduction to public relations, importance of PR in real estate. Let's read one so we'll get a bit of an idea of how the AI actually generated this. Building brand reputation. In real estate, a strong brand reputation can differentiate a company from its competitors. PR strategies help in crafting a positive image by highlighting the unique selling points of a property or a real estate company. Through press releases, media coverage, and community engagement, PR professionals can enhance the visibility and credibility of a real estate brand. So that's pretty on point. Really professional, really to the point, not too much faff. So we've also got enhancing community relations, crisis management, media relations, conclusion. And we've got the different sections here. And you can go ahead and actually manually add in new sections, chapter, page, quiz, and so on, which is pretty nice as well. You can go ahead and edit that cover if you like. That's pretty easy to go ahead and do that too. And yeah, look, we've got different sections here, okay? The key PR strategies. Look, nice little backdrop here as well. PR department induction for real estate professionals, all right? So this really does look like a professional has done this. If we're happy with that, okay, we can press save, Go to the next. You can also preview it as well, which is really cool. So a lot you can do here, okay? Building relationships and networks, course wrap up, and next steps. I love the fact they've just popped in the next step section here. But guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this. I reckon this is awesome and something that I've essentially put together with no experience in just a matter of just a few minutes. But this is normally something I would have probably had to pay $1,000 for someone to actually do and outsource. And quite frankly, it probably would not have even been as good a job. And not only that, you can actually access all the courses here, which essentially, folks, it's a free library of expert training, guys. You've got everything from compliance, onboarding, and even workplace safety. You can automate everything, folks, from certification and enrollment. So everything essentially is running on autopilot. And with the different quizzes and stuff like that and the gamification side of things, it's going to actually keep employees motivated and actually wanting to learn more. Now, as you can see here as well, the super clean and easy drag and drop interface is super easy to modify. So you don't have to go through some mad training course or learning curve to actually learn how to actually go ahead and do this. It's simply a case of just readjusting the sections that you just want to move. Say, I want to go basic training techniques and just kind of actually pull that to the top there. We can just whack it straight there and that'll just go straight to the top. Drag and drop, super easy, no coding experience required to build this. You can white label everything, your brand, your domain, and of course your logo. So folks, if you're someone that wants to train your team effectively and efficiently, start your free trial at ProProfs LMS today. Super simple, fast, and actually built for real business results. The link to sign up will be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. And as you can see, what's great is that you can jump on this free plan right here, which gives you all features. All right, you can bring 10 learners on, and then eventually, guys, you can jump onto the essentials, which is only $2 per active learner per month. That's absolutely astonishing, and that's going to give you a 200 plus ready to use courses plus 10 plus learners, and you get the AI helper, guys, the assistance, the tracking, the course builder, everything, okay? So folks, you can also automate compliance training for OSHA, HIP, AA, and a lot more. You can track easily every employee's progress with easy reporting. And of course, you can secure your data with two-factor authentication, as well as private course access. So seriously a no-brainer if you want to scale your business. Let us know if there's any questions. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.